Friends, we have some pretty cool news from LG on a new W-OLED gaming monitor, the LG 27GS93QE, a less featured, more affordable option to get you into that 240Hz life. Hi friends, and welcome to Display Reality, showcasing display technology to help you make that awesome buying decision. LG has just launched in the US the LG 27GS93QE with an MSRP of $799, but you can get an amazing deal right now as we speak, as LG has a sale on this specific monitor for $599. And the only difference, according to the spec sheet, as it does not include the RGB Hexagon in the back. You get the same W-OLED QHD 240Hz gaming monitor, just not with that RGB backing. And at $599, this is the monitor to get. Now, to make sure, this is using the new panel as the GS version. If we look in the specifications, it states here typical 275 nits with a minimum of 250. So yes, this is the same panel. Also in the specifications, it states here, under cabinet accessories, remote control, yes. Links will be in the description if you want to take advantage of this amazing price. Now, usually the GS version can be had for $699 on a sale, even cheaper sometimes. So this is a great sale at $599, and I'm sure during the holidays will be even cheaper. How much cheaper, I don't know, but I could easily see this at $549, $499, maybe on Black Friday. So just keep a lookout if you want this monitor, as you get one of the brightest W-OLEDs on the market today, plus that much needed remote that comes in very handy versus the competition. And like I've shown you in the video, the GS version does not introduce any kind of ABL on my Street Fighter Alpha 3 testing, while the GR and Asus versions of last year do. So stay away from the GR version, that's for sure. There's no need to get that when you have this 93 version at this amazing price point. So friends, there you have it. This monitor has a lot of features, from two HDMI 2.1 ports, a 3.5mm 4-pole headphone jack supporting DTS Headphone X that included remote, and again, being one of the brightest 240Hz 1440p W-OLEDs on the market. You cannot lose at $599, and if you get it cheaper, you really hit the lottery. So friends, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find it helpful, please hit that like button so more people can see it, so they don't waste their hard-earned money and get something really nice. Consider subscribing if you want more videos just like this one. Breaking news, reviews, and gameplay videos all the time. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.